We got one. We get the money.
We get the money.
We get the moolah.
We get the moolah.
We get the peso.
We get the peso.
We get the netto.
We get the netto.
We get the skrilla.
We get the skrilla.
We hit the lotto.
We hit the lotto.
We get the.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just want to say thank you guys so much for staying tuned, watching, liking, and subscribing. If you are not already subscribed, make sure that you hit that subscribe button for your girl. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Now, in this video, I am modeling Queen Label hair collection for you guys. This is 100% raw human hair, okay? It's unprocessed. Now, what I did with this hair was roller set it. I also created a unit out of it. The inches is 22, 24, and a 26. Now, I had so much fun doing these curls. Now, this was my first time doing a roller set, but hey, it came out really good. Your girl made it work, okay, baby? Finesse queen. All right. So I really enjoyed making this wig. I really enjoyed doing this roller set. With Queen Label hair collection, I've never gotten any bad hair from them, and this whole raw hair thing, I'm just for it. I'm just all for it, okay? So be sure to shop with Queen Label hair collection, and if you do shop with Queen Label hair collection, please don't forget to save yourself some coins and use my discount code, okay? My discount code is PESOS, pesos. Damn. Okay, so don't forget to use that discount code, save yourself some coins, and I really do enjoy you guys liking my videos, subscribing. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, okay? Because I'm lit on Instagram. And now, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I really hope everybody is being safe. I really hope everybody is being blessed, okay, and get into the money. Now, I'm going to stop talking and let you guys enjoy the rest of this video.
Mesmerizing music for the street.
So I basically had to finish everything. Well, as far as my baby hairs, I had to finish that off camera because, baby, I just couldn't get this back, and they still not right. I just couldn't get the baby hairs right. Like, they're a little too crunchy for me, and then the fact that I got glue still right there, like, it's not making it the easiest task. So what we gonna do is we just gonna, we're just gonna skip that part, okay? If y'all want baby hair tutorial, y'all just let me know. But I'm just letting y'all know, I'm just being honest, that baby hairs, I have not perfected baby hairs. Baby hairs have perfected me, so we're just gonna try and keep it moving, okay? But this is my final look, okay? I'm gonna go and change off camera and give you guys body and hair, okay? So just stay tuned. This is my final look. I hope you guys really like and enjoy this video. It's really late at night. The next video I'll be recording is going to be a try on haul, so you guys please stay tuned. And if you're hoping and wondering to know where this little teddy is from, please stay tuned and watch my next video, okay?